show you when you get some nice spring flowers like sweet pea, how to put it together. And I thought I would do it from my home, from my garden, and while the weather is nice, and make everybody happy. Sweet pea is one of the nice, very sweet scent flowers. Their stems are very, very thin. They don't have any foliage to be clean, and they are in season for this time of year, like March, April until May and early June. To make it and put it together is very, very simple. I'm not going to use any foliage and keep it very nice and elegant and simple to put. So what I'll do, I'll just take a few stems at the beginning together, and as I go I'll just take 2, 3 to 4 stems each time and add to my bouquet, and make sure all the stems I'm putting it together, it will all go in one angle. Then in the vase it makes it nice as well. And my company is here, just looking for a ball to play with. While you are putting your stem together, make sure you twist your hand the same time. Then every single angle they will get the same amount of flowers, and when you put it in the vase it will be completely round. Sweet pea is my favorite flowers. It's absolutely lovely. It's very elegant with the sweet smell, and they are coming in all different color naturally, in white and pale pink, which I chosen it today. They are coming in a beautiful lilac and purple and dark pink. Sometimes the grower they will put some sort of unusual color to it. Like last week I had yellow. I don't know whether it was my favorite one, because I like everything very, very natural, and that is a natural color of white and pale pink. When you put your bunches all together, then you just need to grab a string, put it in your 2 fingers, and gently just twist it around and lean it on your table and put the knot on. And now you can see, if you're putting it in a vase, the stem shows very, very nicely and neat as well. I hope you enjoy it, and start working and doing everything in the garden while we can and while the weather is nice. Have a good day. Toby, say goodbye. Where are you? Hello and goodbye.